Lana,
Marta, Hana,
and Bruna.
and we're going to show you our school.
Dobar dan. Dobar dan.
Our school is celebrating its 90th anniversary next year. It changed many locations, some of which are the first gymnasium Zagreb and today's museum Imara. We are currently located in the new part of the city. The school consists of 70 employees and 524 students.
At the reception we have Teta Goga. She takes care of the whole school and knows every soul in it. This is our school library where we read and do a lot of projects with the help of our librarian Željka in the middle of this oasis of creativity, which you will see now.
When you go up the stairs, you will find yourself on the first floor. This is where most of our classes are held, as well as the second floor, which we will show you later.
Our school focuses on languages and we have 3 bilingual programs in English, German and French. We attend the bilingual program in English. This year 3 of our subjects are held in English and each year the number of subjects grows. This was one of the projects done in geography class. Apart from English, we have lessons in Latin, Croatian and one of 4 other languages, Italian,
Spanish,
French, German.
Even though the focus is on languages, we also have natural science and social subjects such as biology,
chemistry,
History, psychology.
This is our arts classroom.
So now we're on the second floor where we also have classes and where you can see that we're an active member of UNESCO school groups. The Ford Gymnasium has been a part of UNESCO Associated School Project Network for more than 20 years. The aim of project is to spread awareness about the role of UN, importance of education, protecting natural and cultural heritage, and maintaining peace.
This is where we have chemistry and physics. We do a lot of experiments here, and this is where all our equipment is.
Who knows what is happening on the Iceland at the moment, in the last few days? What is happening? You can answer in Croatian, of course.
A lot of earthquakes,
A lot of earthquakes and
volcanoes, eruptions.
Okay, so why are they happening on the Iceland? Exactly on Iceland. Who can show me the Iceland on the map? Please.
Here we have the assembly hall, which we are not allowed to enter, but this was an exception, and this is where all the teachers are.
This is our gym. This is where we have the classes. During our classes, we do a variety of fun activities and sports.
Now we're going to meet our headmistress.
Pozdrav, ja sam Sonja Kamčev-Bačani, ravnateljica 4. gimnazije iz Zagreba. Naša škola od 1998. godine UNESCO ASP pridružena škola. Veseli me da su naši učenici i profesorice uključeni u UNESCO projekt Nematerijalna kulturna baština preko granica u kojem sudjeluju i škole iz Danske i Omana. Želim vam puno uspjeha u radu i veselim se budućoj suradnji i susretima.
Snima.